कुछ रोमांटिक सीन्स ऐसे क्यों लगते हैं कि उन सीन से बाहर आने का मन ही नहीं करता। आज तू या मैं के जरिए हम एनाटॉमी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री को ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे एक वर्किंग एक्ट्रेस की लेंस से। केमिस्ट्री अजीब चीज है। कभी दो लोग एक ही फ्रेम में होते हैं और 3 पेजेस ऑफ डायलॉग प्लस अ सॉन्ग एंड डांस सीक्वेंस के बाद भी केमिस्ट्री नदारद। और कभी दो लोग सिर्फ एक दूसरे को देख रहे होते हैं और ऑडियंस इन्वेस्टेड हो जाती है। शायद केमिस्ट्री अट्रैक्शन से ज्यादा कुछ और है। शायद केमिस्ट्री वो फीलिंग है जब ऑडियंस को लगता है काश हम भी उस मोमेंट का हिस्सा होते। मोस्ट ऑडियंसेस केमिस्ट्री को एक फीलिंग की तरह एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, लेकिन ऑन स्क्रीन ये फीलिंग आती कहाँ से है? एटलीस्ट इन TYM ये फीलिंग मुझे चार अलग अलग पहलुओं में नजर आती है। पहला, मैजिकली लाउड साइलेंसेस। दूसरा, इलेक्ट्रिकली चार्ज्ड परसूट। तीसरा, अडिक्टिव पिंग पोंग एक्सचेंजेस। और चौथा, डिंग डोंग गेस हु। होल्ड दैट थॉट। डायलॉग्स के बिना दो लोगों के बीच केमिस्ट्री कैसे क्रिएट होती है? दिस इज वेयर TYM plays with contradictions. The very first time Avnisha sets eyes on Maruti Kadam, audience expectation of Miss Vanity, as she sets eyes on an intruder, she'd dismiss him. Instead, she's curious. Audience expectation of Flo, as the influencer sets eyes on him, he'd be intimidated. What does he do? Introduces himself boldly, creatively, playfully, while being physically thrown out. The guy's self respect should be packing its bags and leaving. Instead, he's busy networking. The characters are making unexpected choices. Flo chooses audacity over intimidation. Avni chooses curiosity over dismissal. He's gate crashing her world with audacity, and she's indulging him with her curiosity. That creates the spark, the unexpectedly magical moment when two worlds that would ordinarily never collide come close enough to zzz. The first encounter creates the spark. But how does a spark become lightning? Second encounter में जब आला फ्लोपारा from नाला सोपारा बाइक पर फ्रेंड फैब्रिक अंडरस्कोर दिलों का चोर के साथ मिस वैनिटी के पीछे आता है, Avni says, Kash he'd follow me home. And honestly, wanting someone to follow you isn't exactly a revolutionary concept. Preeti Tiwari would also appreciate if people followed her on social media. Flo says, collab karega apun. If Avni says, get lost. Scene over. If Flo says, yes, I just want to follow you around, no tension. They are not rushing the lines because that's not where the scene is happening. The scene is happening between the lines. Instead, every response invites another question. Every exchange keeps the momentum alive. That's where the lightning comes from. By the end of the scene, somewhere between smiling like an idiot and not knowing why, you want them to ride off into the night together. Not because they've arrived somewhere, because they haven't. That possibility is still alive. That's what makes the scene so rewatchable. You want to watch it again and again and again. I'm not saying I did. Wink, wink. Here's something interesting I noticed. The electricity feels so refreshing. Like you've just witnessed the beginning of the next SRK Kajol on screen pairing. Aha. And then there's the background score from my era. Ahem. Somehow you want to listen to the song even more today than you did back then. Notice how the music isn't telling us what to feel, it's amplifying what we are already feeling. चोरी चोरी यूं जब हो आंखें चार, क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है, कैसे होता है? एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स अस टू तीसरा पहलू, addictive ping pong exchanges. The spark is exciting. Lightning is even more exciting. Woo! But chemistry doesn't survive on excitement alone. At some point, two people have to genuinely enjoy being around each other. And that's where TYM shifts gears again. By now, Flo and Avni are no longer creating a spark or sustaining the lightning. They are simply building something together. And just when they start having fun hanging out together, the chemistry stops feeling electric and starts feeling playful. Their conversations feel scripted, come discovered zada, almost like ping pong. One serves, the other returns. One teases, the other responds. One invites, the other accepts. The audience isn't watching two people flirt, they're watching two people play effortlessly. And the audience starts thinking, OMG, they're so cute together. And that's not because the film keeps telling us they're meant to be together. Chemistry isn't just about how you look at someone, it's about how you occupy the space with them. Before you know it, the spark becomes comfort you want to live in. The lightning becomes companionship you don't want to let go of. It's addictive. Not that I've watched it only 900 times. That would be ridiculous. Anyway, पहले स्पार्क था, फिर लाइटनिंग आई, फिर करंट दोनों तरफ फ्लो करने लगा, और फिर सर्किट ब्रेकर. पिंग पोंग से डिंग डोंग, guess who? Uh-oh, life entered the chat with deadly crocodile energy. फिल्म की शुरुआत में everything feels cinematic. Cute encounters, fun energy, adventure, music, flirting. Audience सोचती है, okay, this is going to be a love story. लेकिन धीरे धीरे एक deeper question emerge होता है. What happens when life interrupts the vibe? और कभी कभी एक unplanned event, ringing your doorbell, ding dong, पूरी इमोशनल इक्वेशन बदल सकता है. क्योंकि अट्रैक्शन इजी होता है जब लाइफ एस्थेटिक हो, लेकिन जब दो लोगों को एक्चुअली सरवाइव करना पड़े, suddenly romance stops being lightning and background music. Attraction goes out of the window and teamwork has to enter through the back door carrying snacks. TYM surprised me here pleasantly in three ways. First surprise, फिल्म में unnecessary violence नहीं है, other than the croc couple treating humans like an all you can eat buffet. लेकिन फिल्म violence को cool नहीं बनाती. Croc couple isn't the villain, uncertainty is. From what Flo says during his hot pursuit of Avni, to समझी नहीं, अपन already set है, कोई मजबूरी नहीं. To what Flo says, giving Avni a send off as the crocs are hot on their heels, तू वापस आएगी ना, तू भूलेगी नहीं ना मेरे को. And that's the second surprise about TVM. Flo doesn't feel the need to hide behind fake machoism in looking to her for help. He says during their addictive ping pong exchange, कोई ego नहीं है मेरे को. Avni doesn't pretend to be a damsel in distress. She's capable of rescuing herself and him. Nobody gets reduced to a prop in someone else's story. Third surprise, फिल्म लव को ग्लैमरस फैंटेसी कम कोलैब ज्यादा बनाती है. Earlier in the film, the two chose curiosity, then possibility, then playfulness. Now they are choosing each other. At different moments, दोनों एक दूसरे को rescue करते हैं. He risks his life to save hers. She comes back to save his. Towards the end, Flo says, तूने बचा लिया मुझे. And Avni says, और तूने मुझे. The film comes full circle because the chemistry was never just about sparks. It was about showing up for each other. And maybe that's the final piece of chemistry: partnership, the kind that survives long after the music stops. The two start off with something like an idea for a collab and end by witnessing firsthand what a real collab actually looks like. In the words of Avni Shah, love is all real, no filter. And yes, मारुति कदम के शब्दों में, लव एक कोलैब है जिसमें आपको लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब तीनों करना पड़ता है. समझदार को इशारा काफी. केमिस्ट्री अजीब चीज है बंटा है. आप एनाटॉमी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री का ब्रेक डाउन करने निकलते हैं और फिजिक्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री पे वीडियो बना डालते हैं. तो क्या बोल रहे ले भाईचारा, टीवाईएम सिर्फ रोमांस है या पार्टनरशिप का मास्टर क्लास? बच्ची कमेंट्स मध्ये मला सांगा. बर आई विल बी बैक, ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे. खुदा हाफिज.